this is Dr. Seth with the Cafe of Life, Marin County, California. This week's chiropractic tip of the week is to know your limitations when it comes to your yoga practice and to make sure to modify your practice so that you can take care of yourself while you're in class. So for instance, if you're dealing with a lower back constraint or a lower back issue, when you go into class and you go into specific poses, you want to make sure to not overdo it in extensive forward flexion or extension hyperflexion. So when you're going into a forward flexion pose like this, you want to make sure to just kind of ease into it instead of going straight down into it like this. You know, if you're dealing with, really chronic lower back disc injuries and such, you want to make sure to slowly kind of bend your knees, roll down slowly into it. If you're coming into a ragdoll like this, nice and easy, as well as hyperextension. So for instance, if you're in a hyperextension pose, down like this, when you're doing a cobra, this is nice and easy. Be really careful to not hyperextend too far into your lower back. That could set your lower back off as well. So another thing to consider is your neck. If you have neck injuries or really stiff neck or inflammation in the joints that are coming in through your neck, you want to make sure when you're doing poses where you have to turn your head. So for instance, if you're doing like a Trikonasana pose, something like this, and you're branching out like that, be careful. If it hurts to look up like this, just look straight ahead or look down. Make sure to keep your neck in a neutral position, because sometimes over twisting it like that can irritate it as well. So just make sure to know your limitations. Always, if it's painful, stop and modify. Hope this helps. Look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks.